Okay, so now I am on page 128. Here I need to multiply two numbers and then divide it by 1/6. So since this is all multiplications and divisions, I can use the same rules. That means that I can determine my sign before I start. So since I have one number that is negative, one is odd, my answer is going to be negative. All right, so now I'm going to convert to improper fractions. This would be 4/1 times -1/3. And this is a division, so I'm going to change it into multiplication, and I'm going to flip or find the reciprocal of 1/6, which is 6/1. Now I notice that I can crisscross cancel 3 and 6. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice. Now all I got to do is multiply across in this direction and this direction. So my first answer would be 4 times -1 is -4 times 2 is -8, and 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So my answer is -8. Okay, same page, problem number 2. I like to keep my rules in sticky notes so I can move them from problem to problem. So on this one, I am multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 2 of them are negative. That means that I can determine my sign by saying, okay, 2 is an even number. That means that my answer is going to be positive. Whatever answer I get is going to be a positive answer. All right, so now I'm going to, since I have a fraction, I'm going to convert everything into fractions. All right, so I have -2/1, my proper fraction, 2/1 times 10/1 times -3/1, and the last one is 1/2. Okay, so now I also noticed that I can crisscross cancel the 2 with any of the even numbers on top. I can crisscross cancel with 10, with 2, or -2. I'm going to do this one with this one just to make it easy. All right, so now all I got to do is multiply everything, all the numerators and all my denominators. All right, so -2 times 1 would be -2, times 20 would be -20, times 3 would be -60, or +60, sorry. Yes, negative times a negative would be 6, positive. And then 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 would be 1. So my answer is 60, or 60/1. And that's it.